Are you tired of dealing with outdated, hard-to-clean kitchen faucets that just don't make your life easier? What if you could upgrade your entire kitchen's look and functionality in under 15 minutes without calling a plumber? Today, we're checking out the WEWE Single-Handle High Arc Brushed Nickel Pull-Out Kitchen Faucet. And this might just be the budget-friendly upgrade your kitchen needs. Product features. Let's start with the design. This faucet features a sleek tulip-style look that instantly gives your kitchen a modern, clean vibe. The brushed nickel finish not only looks premium, but also resists dirt and fingerprints, so less cleaning for you. Now, functionality is where this faucet really shines. You get a 3-way spray setting, stream mode for filling pots, quickless spray mode for rinsing dishes, pause mode to stop splashing when multitasking. It also delivers a solid 1.8 gallons per minute flow rate, making it efficient without wasting water. Installation? Super simple. The pull-down hose and water lines come pre-installed, meaning you can set it up yourself in under 15 minutes, no plumber needed. Using it is just as easy. The single handle controls both temperature and water flow smoothly, and the 360-degree swivel spout gives you full sink access. Plus, the sprayer head retracts back automatically after use, no hassle. And durability. You're getting 304 stainless steel construction with a ceramic cartridge inside, ensuring smooth operation and long-lasting performance. Pros: modern, stylish design fits most kitchens. 3 spray modes for versatile use. Quick and easy DIY installation. Smooth handle control with reliable ceramic cartridge. Easy to clean, just wipe with a cloth. Strong stainless steel build for long-term use. Cons: may feel lightweight compared to premium high-end faucets. Not ideal if you prefer a commercial-style industrial look. Flow rate is standard, not high pressure for heavy-duty users. Overall review: so, is the WEWE kitchen faucet worth it? Honestly, yes, especially for the price. It's perfect for homeowners, renters, or even RV users who want a stylish, functional upgrade without breaking the bank. It covers all the essentials: easy install, smooth operation, and a clean modern design. If you're not looking for anything overly fancy but want reliability and convenience, this faucet hits that sweet spot.